Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone. This is Aliyah and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you the Dutch coffee brewing method. So here we go. I just want to share with you a little bit of idea on how a cold brew coffee is prepared. Actually, I am not a barista. I've just got a chance to watch the barista training initiated by my boss and I found it interesting. So here we are using the Dutch coffee maker. So I will give you a brief introduction on the Dutch coffee brewing. It refers to a brewing method in which ice cold water is dripped over freshly grinded coffee ground for somewhere in between 3.5 to 12 hours, and some others do it overnight. So here it is.